Hello, good day to everyone. Good morning, good to wherever you're watching from. So this video is an update regarding an airdrop called Major. Currently, it's speculating and it's all over everywhere. So I just wish to show you how to play the Pusu. Today's Pusu. That's just all about today's update. Pusu the Roof is a new added one. How to play this game? You will have to join community groups. Your community groups or community social medias. That's how to get it. So quickly go to this. I have one here. This is my community group. I think I'll be talking about this for quite long with some of my videos. This is the community. I'll be leaving the link in the description below of this video. So what this simply means is that you will find out that in this play, quickly click on play. You will find out that there are 4 empty boxes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this box, out of here, take note, you will find 4 images of the roof from here and input the correct ones here. If you inputted the 4 correct ones here, you will be granted 5,000 coins. Now, if you mistakenly put the wrong one, you will be disabled for the day. You will be cancelled and you won't have it for the next day. So I've made this mistake, so I don't want you to make this. So quickly go to a community group. Go to a community group and input them. So this is the community, my community. Quickly, this is number 1. You can see it, number 1. Then go to number 2. This is number 2. Then number 3. Go to number 3. Number 4. You go to check if they are correct. If it's correct, it will be granted. You see, it's correct. Plus 5,000 coins. You can see plus 5,000 coins have been added just because I get it right. Now, where I get this now is from my community group. Every day I update you guys on how to accumulate more points in your balance. So this is the community. I've been linking, talking about several airdrops and updates regarding them. So if you want to join this group, I'll be leaving the link so you can join. So guys, enjoy your day. Goodbye. Peace for now. If you want to know more about this airdrop, DM me on my WhatsApp community group. In this group, if you join, you can DM me directly, and also you can comment in the video description to know more about other airdrops and to talk more. If you are confused or you want to know more about this or other airdrops, important potential airdrops that I'm talking about in the group, you can DM me directly. You want to partner with me, you want to do anything, promotion, anything regarding business transactions, you want to buy you want to buy cryptocurrencies for investment purpose, for network coins, I sell all, I trade all. So you can DM me directly so I can buy for you or I can transact for you, whatever it might be. DM me for any business proposal and partnerships. So guys, this is where I'm ending today's video on Major. So guys, bye for now. Peace.